When your revenue operations team starts handling more tools, more data, and more systems, things can get complicated fast. You have marketing platforms, sales CRMs, billing systems, and customer success tools, all needing to talk to each other. That is where automation platforms like Zapier and Tray.io come in. Both help connect the dots between your systems, but they serve very different levels of automation depth. Let's start with Zapier. Zapier is the go-to automation tool for many RevOps teams because it's easy to use and does not require any coding. You simply pick a trigger, set an action, and let it run. For example, you can automatically send new leads from your marketing form into your CRM, update deal stages, or send follow-up notifications to your team in Slack. It connects to thousands of apps, from Salesforce to HubSpot to QuickBooks, and handles the day-to-day repetitive tasks that slow teams down. The beauty of Zapier is how quickly you can build and deploy automations without needing a developer. It is perfect for smaller operations or teams that want fast wins and lightweight workflows. You can also build multi-step automations and include filters or conditions to make your processes smarter. Now, let's talk about Tray.io. This platform steps things up to an enterprise level. Tray.io is built for more complex, large-scale automations that often go beyond simple data handoffs. It is a low-code platform, which means you can still build visually, but with far more control. You can connect internal systems, make custom API calls, handle massive data volumes, and build sophisticated logic flows. It is ideal for companies where automation has to do more than move data. It has to transform, enrich, and sync it between multiple sources with precision. Tray.io also lets you design workflows that can run at higher frequency, manage large integrations, and even act as APIs for your internal systems. For revenue operations, that means building end-to-end automations that touch marketing, sales, and customer success without breaking at scale. In the end, the best automation tool is the one that matches your stage of growth. If you need speed and simplicity, Zapier wins. If you need depth and control, Tray.io is the clear choice. Either way, both will help your revenue operations team save time, reduce errors, and keep every department running in sync. Automation is not just about saving clicks. It is about giving your RevOps team more time to focus on driving growth, not managing data.